The switchgear selection for load feeders in the TIA selection tool. If you want to configure load feeders for a motor, you usually have the choice between different switchgear sizes. Our load feeder configurator supports this selection with tested, safe switchgear assemblies with just one click. This selection includes, for example, the requirement for the assignment type and trip class of the application. Now you can see how this works. First, you add a new load feeder. Switch to the electrical load and select a power of, for example, 7.5 kilowatt for our mains operated motor. You then scroll down and switch to the switchgear. Now you can define the starting method for the motor and, for example, select a reversing starter combination with an associated overload relay. A click on Calculate provides you with the result in this single line display on the right side. A motor protection switch was selected, as well as 2 contactors and a thermal overload relay. However, other tested and valid switchgear assemblies are also available for this motor. These are offered below the Calculate button. For example, you can now select a different overload setting range or a different frame size. For our example, let's select the overload setting range 11-14 amps. Sometimes it is also recommended to change the size of the device. Here too, the configurator sometimes offers optional tested device combinations for free selection. This individual choice allows the selection of the device based on the experience of the designer or an extended setting range due to the starting characteristics of the motor. A simple click is all it takes to replace the switchgear assemblies. The line dimensioning and short circuit calculation for the new switchgear assembly are also automatically adapted. In this way, you can quickly achieve the desired switchgear assemblies. Have fun trying it out.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.